One of the things on my Boracay bucket list was to try sea urchin. And I finally did it. This was at Bulabog Beach on the backside of the island. Well, I didn't get a video of myself eating it, but here's a clip of my friend's taste test instead.
Taste na walang sisili. Charot. Ang sarap. Kinakain ba itong sabaw? Ha? Sarap pala.
Lalo pag orange na orange talaga.
Lasang si Orchid.
Nasa sea urchin.
May suka po.
Pag orange talaga yung kulay, ma'am. Kasi kasi talaga yung kulay niya. Ay, yung lasa niya.
Let's try naman na may suka pa lang. Lasang suka. Naman natin na may kalamansi.
Wait lang.